Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What you're about to hear is based on my personal experience with the platform. Today we're diving into Lumi Wallet, found at https://lumiwallet.com. This platform offers a range of services, and I want to share my experience with you. Lumi provides a secure and user-friendly environment for managing your cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, Lumi aims to cater to various levels of experience. Their interface is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate even for newcomers to the world of digital assets. They support a variety of cryptocurrencies, giving you flexibility in your investment choices. Lumi Wallet emphasizes security, incorporating features designed to keep your funds safe. This includes robust encryption and private key management, empowering you to control your assets. The platform is designed to be accessible on multiple devices, so you can manage your crypto on your computer or on the go with their mobile app. This multi-platform accessibility adds a layer of convenience for users who need to access their funds and manage their portfolio anytime, anywhere. Beyond simply storing cryptocurrency, Lumi offers additional features like built-in exchange functionality, enabling users to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. This streamlines the trading process and can save users time and effort. They also prioritize customer support, offering resources and assistance to users who may have questions or encounter issues. This focus on customer service is a valuable asset, particularly for those new to the cryptocurrency space. In my experience, Lumi Wallet has been a reliable and convenient platform for managing my crypto assets. I appreciate the user-friendly design, the robust security features, and the added convenience of built-in exchange functionality. Of course, your experience may vary, so be sure to do your own research before committing to any platform.